Hey, it's Kelsey Deenihan. If you're like me, you're busy. You're going from one thing to the next and you don't always have a lot of time. So let me show you how to get glam in a minute. I'm gonna begin by defining my face with the Moonlit Highlighting Powder in Topaz. I'm gonna apply this to my cheeks and around my forehead. I'm also gonna add a little of the Topaz to my eyes. And I'm not being too precious about it. I'm just kind of putting it all over. Next, I'm gonna take the Avon Glimmersticks in Cosmic Brown and just kind of windshield wiper motion back and forth. I'm really gonna make my eyes pop by adding Love at First Lash Mascara. Deposit as much product as possible right at the root. I'm gonna quickly take the Be Blushed in Blushing Nude and apply it just to the apples of my cheeks. We're gonna add a bit of color to the lips, and I'm going to use Perfectly Matte in Red Supreme. And there you have it, glam in a minute. Bronzer, blush, eyeliner, mascara, lip, go.